Natural or optimal speed, increase or decrease in the natural speed of movement increase the effect of resistance when muscle work concentrically, but when performed eccentrically, the slower the movement, greater the effect of resistance. Concentric work is easier when performed at natural speed. Eccentric work is easier when performed at high speed, that is, climbing uphill and coming. Increase in duration. As the muscle warm up to overcome the resistance, they become more efficient. An effect of resistance decrease and exercise seems easier. Fatigue reduces the efficiency of the muscles, so resistance increase. Example: sawing a wooden log. Effect and uses of resisted exercises. Muscle power. Resisted exercise is used to build up weak muscle and restore muscle power. For stability and coordinated movement. Blood flow. It increase in response to amount of work done. Blood flow increase 10 times in strenuous activity. Blood flow cause oxygen and nutrients to the muscle. Blood pressure. Resisted exercises cause increase in blood pressure. Heat. Heat produced during activity cause stimulation of heat regulation center, which result in vasodilation. Skin appear moist, pink, indicating heat lost from the surface. The degree of moisture depends largely on temperature, humidity, and movement of atmosphere. Involuntary movement. Reflex movement. It is the motor response to sensory stimulus. The reflex movements are protective in nature. They become usually habitual or autonomic. Reflex arc. It is the pathway of impulse that give rise to the stimulus. It consists of two neurons, afferent neurons, from sensory receptor organ to CNS, afferent neurons, from CNS to effector organ, that is muscle. Reflex activity can be stimulated and used to improve or facilitate movement. A simplified reflex arc. The stretch reflex. This is spinal reflex activated by stretching of the muscle. When an innervated muscle is stretched, it responds by contraction and developing tension to counteract the stretching force. Contraction of the muscle by stretch reflex is accompanied by the reciprocal inhibition of the antagonistic muscle. Righting reflex. These are series of reflexes concerned with maintenance and restoration of equilibrium. Pushing the patient causes the series of mass movements to restore the balance. The postural reflex. The erect posture is maintained by the complex series of reflexes collectively known as postural reflexes. Effects and uses. Initiation of reflex movement. It provides activity of NM mechanism when voluntary effort is ineffective, that is, in flaccid paralysis and brain damage. Normal joint mobility. Joint mobility and muscle extensibility is maintained when the spastic paralysis make voluntary movements impossible. Circulation improvement. It is improved by the contraction of muscle and movement of joint, relaxation of the spastic muscle. It is achieved by reciprocal inhibition. Postural reflexes. This is basis for the postural re-education. Thanks for watching.